Today I'm going to do a half wig again. So sometime I do on one side, sometime I do in the middle. Today I will do it in the middle. So I'm going to show you how you can do a half wig. It is so unique. So I'm going to start putting a leave-in condition. Today I'm using my daughter's. They told me that is good for hair, so I'm just gonna try it and see how we can dip my hair. I'm just gonna put it on my hair. You want to make sure you put it on the same size. Like for me, I want it to start from the front, because since when I gave birth, I have a lot of baby hair and I don't want them to show, so I'm trying to cover them. Then you can pull off from the side and make sure it's tight, it's comfortable. Don't make it too tight where you won't feel comfortable. You want to be comfortable. For me, I want to wear it for all day, so try to make it as comfortable as I can. So now I'm just gonna open this. I'm gonna leave out here. I just like to put, you can put any kind of cream. I like to put cream on my hair so they won't get burned, since I decided to go natural. They're just that, putting small pieces together. But I just want my mirror line to be very quick here, so I'm just gonna use this little comb to comb them apart. Voila. I like to do it twice. Yes, JJ.
You hear us calling you?
No, I didn't.
Are you scared?
No, I didn't hear you. Are you scared?
We
Why are you scared, my love?
After night, we are scared.
After night, you're scared?
No.
Hmm.
Just in the dark of the roads.
What happened? What made you scared?
The light was closed and I didn't see anything.
Really? Boldly. Turn the light on. Turn the light on if you're scared, Baba. Okay. So I'm not happy with this. My baby hair just, oh, my hair from the front on this side. I'm just gonna run one more iron here. And on this side. Okay. I think I'm done with this. And then you can comb them and match them. The hair. Voila. That's the finished look. What do you think? This will be my look for today. Bye. This is what I'm using today.